ya Democratic Party gusedi pia county ya Nyamira asiboigo aromokonyi bumuriki ensengima Frederick Mutio nigatebirenga baragwo bunikiama nigo bare inse ya United Opposition neganga yabo tibari guche gutiga kumusira Daktari Fred Matiang'i. Mutio ka kwana asobisi yae nigekerekyo atebirenga ikiamekyo gitenere na Justin Muturi nigokera chikuri kyababwatani baye asira yobwasyo kuna nigokere mamincha nesera yumurai wense Daktari William Samuel Ruto.
Njasa Marieta Frederick Mutio Nchava, chairman ya Democratic Party of Kenya Nyamira County, and the Deputy National Organizing Secretary Operations in the Democratic Party of Kenya. As a siasa, I'm not only the siasa into Democratic Party, it's a repro party, and to welcome on the Wednesday. As a party, and I strongly say that we are a family in the United Opposition. As a party, ntwe ntubwati magana andenga ose ntubwate gofefo monta as a party. We welcome on the West Yoraka just a party. Nabo tokogenda achorwe abe candidate yetu igo gurgono to akadi bisetika aspirants party in Democratic Party as to what leader yetu Justin Bedan Muturi or party leader ya Democratic Party of Kenya na inde nto tuaranga tubate upendeleo ende yosu cha sonde bwezi to very much free na kiago de party de group Democratic Party of Kenya intue uno mugusi as tuabeta tia tujoini ya chama ya United Opposition Party sababu no tore mano itumatiangi no are United Opposition igo no nya kero to gotebanga Democratic Party teri ngetora against rose etora against Fred Matiang'i no musi United Opposition no era chubiri no era United Opposition no Democratic kire igo abantu baminto tia tuchoini egera tora sia serikali ndo basa kwa isiko ya serikali kia ya areka nenga United Opposition korosi ya serikali ndo basa kwa isiko ya serikali